Hi, I'm Andrew with Baker's Gas, and we're here today with a new exclusive bundle from Baker's Gas. So, Lincoln Electric, as you know, they have the Dash 4 and the Dash 3 models of their Viking hoods. So, the offer that we're throwing out there today is that we now offer shells, just the shell alone. So this will fit a 3350 and a 2450. You can buy the shell from us and replace your old shell, or if you want to upgrade your Dash 3 helmet, the older style, to a newer shell, that sort of thing. So there's an assortment of shells. You can get the new Viking, or I'm sorry, you can get the new medieval one, and you can get steampunk if that's, and these are just some options of the shells. So what we're going to do in this video, we're going to tear apart the headgear, show you how to replace your shell on the new style and the old style. We're going to put the lens down inside, and we're going to tear these things apart. So let's give this a shot. Alright, so I have an older style. See, there's no grind button, right? So this is the Dash 3 model. This one is the Dash 4 with the new grind button. So no grind button, but all the shells are going to come with that grind button. Not a big deal. The grind button just doesn't work. It's there though. So first things first, what we're going to do, start to pull the little, you just unscrew the ears here. Now be careful because there's a lot of little parts in here. And what we like to do, there's that. And then there's a little O-ring in there. Don't do what I just did and lose that O-ring. Set it all right there. Pull that out. Undo the other side. Pull that out. So now your headgear came out. So what fell out of there was this piece and that piece. Those just connect on the inner side. This piece is for the adjustment. This is just another piece to hold in there. Set them right there. Now the biggest thing is this little one. So that's press fit in there because it's a square hole, right? Same thing here. So we got the headgear out. Now to fit that back in there, I'm just going to mimic exact same style. Now there's a little notch. So this goes in a direction. There's a little notch right there. There we go. There we go. That style has a little, just a clip. So, remember what fell out there? That one was on this side. This guy was over here. And what we're going to do, pop that headgear back in. Remember, I put it in there the right way. So if you're looking at it, make sure the foam is facing forward. Go in. This might drop the parts a few times, but that's okay. Put this guy on the inside. Now remember that O-ring that we dropped goes right in between there, and then you can screw that knob back on. Kind of got to press a little bit to get them parts all compressed back in there. This one back in. I got it in there all the way yet. So all that is just a slide adjustment. Let me put this in here. There we go. Okay. Don't forget the O-ring. Now all that O-ring does is just a buffer for that piece. It just gives us something to ride on. So got it tightened up there. Now, as you can see, if you loosen this, that'll slide back and forth. That's just your adjustment for your in-out on your hood. Now, this was just transferring headgear to the new shell. In our bundle, it comes with the newest headgear. So if you had a series, the old series, you would get the new headgear with the bundle, and it comes with all that hardware already. So what you do is basically you just set that off to the side, put this in the new helmet. Comes with a pack of lenses, and then all you would do is just transfer your lens over to the new shell. So let me show you how to transfer that lens. Pretty simple. If you've ever, those just got two toggles. You move them to the side here. It pulls right out. Then that is in fact how you get that out. Let's see here. So inside there too, remember there's a gasket. For those of you guys have changed your lenses before, we're going to slap that down in there because it's the same size. And then all we do, slide the new lens down in there. There we go. And there you go. So I took my old Series 3 hood, Viking hood, and put a new shell on it. Pretty awesome. So in this bundle package, like I said, so the shell is about $53 somewhere in there just by itself. So if you want to get the new shell, 53 bucks, you can just swap out your headgear, everything. But if you purchase the bundle, in the bundle, your choice of shell, new style headgear, and a pack of front lenses for $89 for a limited time only. So like I said before, this is a exclusive deal with Baker's Gas. You can, in all the shells, there's a wide variety of them, as you may know if you follow the Lincoln shells that they come out with all the time. You can get the old matte black style, or the new matte black style. If you got the old shiny gloss style helmet, you can get this matte black style. So on this hood, this was the newest hood. It's got the newest headgear. So if you wanted to change this shell for, say, something like that shell, you want to put this shell in there. The only difference in changing everything out, so we changed the headgear, swap the lens. You pull the lens out the same way, but remember there's a grind button up top, and that's where it gets a little bit, not too bad. It's just a headphone jack. And just pop it up, and you're good to go. And then if you're going to put it in the new lens, I'm just going to pop it down in this new lens. Like I said, it's just this headphone jack right here. Boom. Back into business there. So pretty simple. That's the only difference with it. Now remember, if you got the new 3350, it's got the new headgear, you might just want to buy the shell, or if you want multiple shells, you'd like to change it up, your shell's burnt or something along those lines, good options out there. And also it comes with, this is kind of unique to the Lincoln stuff, so when you bought your new hood, so you bought the old style, inside that hood was a parts list. So when you buy the shell, they don't come with that sticker on the inside. They do come separately with that sticker. So you can choose to stick it in there, or you can put it somewhere where you know it's not going to get dirty or burnt or anything like that. And then you got all your part numbers right there. So those come with the shells. If you have any questions, please link below. Link below too is going to be all the options on all the different shells you can get. Like I said, thanks for watching my videos. Stay tuned for more.